with them is used that method, and in your case he may use this method. It keeps you away from worship and is keep making them fight each other. Hope if you like. An imitation. But those people that have learnt and actually do worship with their soul, that is the true worship.
ये जिस्म खत्म हो गया, इबादत खत्म हो गई, और वो तो खत्म नहीं होती है, यौम महशर तक वो इबादत करती रहती.
When your body ceases to exist, so does the worship cease to exist with this body. But if you worship with that soul, and the soul never dies, it will continue to worship until the day of judgment.
If that's the case, we are very, very lucky people to be in this room here.
So अगर ऐसा है तो हम बहुत ही खुश नसीब लोग हैं जो इस कमरे में इस वक्त बैठे हुए आपकी सोबत में.
उससे फायदा नहीं ना जब तक इनके अंदर रूह बेदार हों, अल्लाह करें, अल्लाह को देखते रहें, उस तरफ जाएं.
That may be the case, but the maximum benefit is only then that when the name of God starts within you, you hear it, and your heart vibrates with the name of God, and you spiritually progress and eventually see God Himself.
तुम यहाँ से कहते है कि हम बलफास्ट जाएगा, गाड़ी को तैयार करेगा, फिर जाएगा ना. अब यहाँ से तुझ कहते अल्लाह को जाएगा, तेरे अंदर व्हीकल है ना, उनमें तेल डाल उधर जा.
Yes, sir. Now, if you said that you're going to Belfast, you will get your vehicle ready and then make preparations and go. And if you want to say you want to go to God, you have the apparatus within you, prepare them and make that journey and go.
तू यहाँ से बलफास्ट जाएगा गाड़ी पे, रास्ते में कहीं भी एक्सीडेंट होगा, यही कहीं बलफास्ट जा रहा था, रास्ते में मार गया ना.
Now, if you're going to Belfast, you made the preparations and you actually embarked upon the journey. And if during the journey you had an accident and you died, the people would say that he was died on the way to Belfast.
इसी तरह जब ये तेरा व्हीकल अल्लाह की तरफ जाएगा ना, रास्ते में तू मर गया, अल्लाह की तरफ जा रहा था.
In a similar way, if you embarked upon that journey towards God, and then you would happen to die, then people would say that this person traveled towards the Lord and then he died in his path.
All books कहती हैं इसलिए कि जो भी अल्लाह के रास्ते में मर जाए उनको मुर्दा मत कहो, उसका समाज शहीदों में.
And all the scriptures have said that those people that die in the path of the Lord, do not call them dead, for they live, because they have died in the path of the Lord. They are shaheed, they bear witness to the truth.
The greatest one, you know, with the one message.
Sure.
The Holy Man's trying.
सर कहते हैं कि दुनिया बड़ी अच्छी हो, अगर सब लोग इस तालीमात को कबूल करें और सबके दिल एक हो जाएं और सबके दिल अल्लाह करें.
हो रहा ना.
जी सर.
पहले हम था 2-4 आदमी हमारे साथ थे, फिर पाकिस्तान में मुस्लिम होना लगने में बहुत आधा मुस्लिम हमारे साथ हो गया.
जी सर.
फिर हम बाहर निकला तो तुम्हारे मजहब के हो गए, हिंदू के भी हो गए, सिख के हो रहा है ना आस्ते आस्ते.
It is happening slowly and steadily. Surely indeed when we started there were only few people with us or accepting these teachings, and now there are many people in Pakistan, half the Muslim world, and then some Christians and the Hindus and Sikhs, people coming together.
लेकिन सारे तो नहीं होंगे ना, जिनको हो जाएगा.
जी सर. It will not.
सारे हो जाए जहन्नम का क्या हो.
जी सर. It will not be everybody in totality. It will be those people that are desired by God. You see, if everybody accepted it, then what would happen of hell?
जब अंदर अल्लाह सोल करेगा ना, अल्लाह अभी तो जो सोता है सोचता रहता पैसे का कारोबार.
जी सर.
फिर जब अंदर अल्लाह लगा तो अल्लाह की मस्ती में सो जाएगा.
Now you sleep thinking about many things, material things, and the worldly affairs and all the problems and affairs that you have. When your soul starts to recite the name of God, it will be so intoxicated that you'll actually sleep with the love of God in your heart and with that intoxicant, and you'll forget about everything else.
बस लाखों रुपया होगा तब भी सुकून ही है ना, फिर एक रुपया भी नहीं होगा तब भी सुकून
से. Sir. And now if you have millions of pounds, you do not have peace in your heart. And once you've achieved that state, even if you don't have a pound, you'll still be in peace.
I look forward to that day because I'm such a selfish man.
सर कहने के मैं उस दिन के लिए इंतजार कर रहा हूँ कि मैं इतना खुद परस्त हूँ.
तो उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस करें. तरीका पहले भी बताया था, प्रैक्टिस करता नहीं.
You must practice. Therefore, we've told you about this technique before, but you don't practice.
इसने दवाई की शीशी घर में रखी हुई है, सारा इसको पता है, लेकिन वो दवाई लेता नहीं है.
You've got the medicine at home and you know all about it, but you don't take it.
I take it a little bit, but not enough.
थोड़ा लेता हूँ लेकिन ज़्यादा नहीं.
इसका तरीका बताते हैं आप इनको.
जी सर. Now we'll tell you of the method how.
जब ये सोने लगे ना, किसी भी वक्त जब तन्हाई में हो,
जी सर,
इस उंगली को कलम ख्याल करें तो तस्वर से अपने दिल पर अल्लाह लिखें.
For this purpose, we tell you the method how this is achieved. That when alone and just before you sleep, regard this finger of yours as a pen and write the name Allah, the name of God, on your heart.
Allah.
Allah,
Allah.
Allah, 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 Allah.